Click on the link below to get price. The Elite Screens Yard Master Manual Tension 125-inch diagonal 16:9 outdoor manual tab tension screen is a standout product for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor movie experience. Right out of the box, the setup process is straightforward. The screen comes well packaged, and the assembly instructions are clear, making it easy to put together in under 30 minutes. The lightweight aluminum frame is both sturdy and portable, ensuring that it can withstand various weather conditions while being easy to transport. One of the standout features of this screen is its tab tension design. The screen fabric is pulled taut, eliminating any wrinkles or sagging that could impact image quality. This feature significantly enhances the viewing experience, providing a smooth, flat surface that minimizes distractions and ensures bright, vivid colors. The 16:9 aspect ratio is perfect for movies and presentations, offering a cinematic experience right in your backyard. The material used for the screen is of high quality, with a 1:1 gain that reflects light well, ensuring a bright image even in moderate ambient light. Whether you're watching a blockbuster film or hosting a sports viewing party, this screen performs admirably. It also features an easy manual pull-down mechanism, allowing for quick adjustments and retraction when needed. Durability is another strong point. The screen is designed to last, with weather-resistant properties that enable it to be left outdoors without fear of damage. The addition of a carrying bag makes it an excellent choice for outdoor events, camping trips, or backyard gatherings. In summary, the Elite Screens Yard Master Manual Tension 125-inch screen is an exceptional product that delivers on both quality and ease of use. Its combination of portability, durability, and high image quality makes it a worthy investment for outdoor movie enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you're searching for a reliable outdoor screen, this model should be at the top of your list.